What is a good skincare regimen for a teenager? Let's talk about it. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Degha Fongod. I'm an internal medicine physician practicing women's health in the Northern Virginia area. Today we're going to be talking about how to come up with the skincare routine for a teenager. What are the important components that you need in your skincare regimen, and why it's important for you to have a skincare regimen this early in life. So you might be wondering, why do teenagers need to have a skincare regimen? So I see older patients all the time in the office, and the one thing that they always tell me is they wish someone had told them how to start a basic skincare regimen when they were teenagers. And also, a lot of these patients that I see are mothers who have teenage daughters, and they have no idea what type of skincare regimen they should be on. So I decided to make this video to talk about the basic components that you need in a skincare regimen as a teenager. So one of the most important changes that happens to the skin when you become a teenager is the fact that you start to produce a lot of oil on your skin. And this is because of hormone changes that are happening because of puberty. And so with oil production, that can usually lead to acne. So one of the problems that some teenagers have is they develop acne. And we'll talk about acne later on in the video. But the basic components of skincare that you need to know is, first, you need to cleanse your skin. That's very important. The second thing that you need to do is you need to treat your skin if you have something that needs to be treated. If you have normal skin, then you can skip this step. But if you have acne, then we need to treat your skin. And the third thing that you want to do is you want to hydrate your skin. This is very important, especially I'm filming this in the winter. So during the winter months, you want to hydrate your skin. And the last thing that you want to do is protect your skin. So the regimen goes, you want to cleanse your skin, you want to treat your skin, you want to hydrate your skin, and you want to protect your skin. This is basically the regimen that everybody needs for skincare, but we're just going to talk about it in terms of how it works for teenagers. All right. So let's say you need to come up with a regimen. For your morning regimen, the best thing you can do is to cleanse your skin. This is every day. You want to cleanse your skin in the morning, and you want to cleanse your skin at night. During your teenage years, you're going to be experimenting with makeup, so it's really important that you wash off all the makeup off your skin, because again, this can clog your pores and that can lead to acne. So first step is cleansing your skin, and I have a few recommendations for cleansers that you can use. Over the counter, I believe Cerave has good options. So they have the hydrating cleanser for people who have more dry skin. They have the foaming cleanser, and they have a salicylic acid cleanser. And the salicylic acid cleanser is going to be great for people who are more acne prone. All right. So that's the cleanser. I want you to use that morning and night. The second step is the treating step. Now, if you have normal skin, then you can skip this step. But if you have acne, then in the evening, you want to use some sort of exfoliant to treat your skin. In the case of acne, I always recommend that my patients use Differen over the counter 1% or adapalene. And you can use this not only for acne, but you can also use it to help with hyperpigmentation and to also help with anti-aging in general. So this is one of those ingredients or products where if you start it, I would probably encourage you to just continue using it, because it's going to have amazing benefits for your skin. So if you're new to using adapalene or Differen, I would want you to use a pea-sized amount every other day until your skin gets used to it, and then you can use it every day. So that's the treating component. The third step is to moisturize or hydrate your skin, and I would ask you to do this morning and night. If you have oily skin, then you want to make sure you use moisturizers that are non-comedogenic. Okay, this is very important. But moisturizing is important even if you have oily skin, because you can have oily skin but not have hydrated skin. So use a moisturizer morning and night. And the last thing that you should be doing is using sunscreen. This is the most important step in your skincare regimen. You want to use sunscreen because it prevents, you want to use sunscreen because one, UV damage can cause signs of aging, and it can also cause skin cancer. So you want to use an SPF 30 minimum on your face every day. Whether it's sunny or not, you want to use sunscreen to protect your skin, okay? And remember, if you're going to use Differen, for example, to treat your skin, then that's going to sensitize your skin. And so you want to make sure that you're using a protectant during the daytime so you don't cause further damage in your skin. So to wrap everything up, if you have normal skin, then in the morning you want to cleanse, you want to hydrate or moisturize, and you want to use sunscreen. In the evening, you want to cleanse again and you want to moisturize, and that should be it. If you want to cleanse with a foaming cleanser or a salicylic acid cleanser, you want to hydrate in the morning and you want to use sunscreen, and at night you want to cleanse again. You want to use Differen for treatment of your acne, and you want to moisturize after that. And if you have dry skin, then you want to stick with hydrating products such as Cerave's Hydrating Cleanser, and then you want to moisturize. You could use Cerave as well, or find other options over the counter, and then you can use your SPF. And at night you use a cleanser again and a moisturizer in the evening. I'll put some recommendations of sunscreens that I like that are below $50. Remember, consistency in skincare and in everything in life is going to be the key to your success. I hope that was helpful. If you like videos like this, then please like and subscribe to my channel, and comment below whatever topics you want me to talk about, and I would love to talk about those topics for you. But until next time, see you on the next video. Bye.